Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today, and I just got this silicone coral looking thing off of Amazon. You saw my other videos. I got some other colored ones. This was the cheapest one. This was like $6.99 at the time of purchase. So this is kind of what it looks like, made in China. So this is a weighted one. So this is kind of you know, what you can, I guess, expect it to look like, the size. Alright, so that's from the base, and that's about the height, almost 8 inches. I strictly got this just to prevent aggression in my fish tank. I want to obviously get live corals, and you know, everything's just been busy, and you know, it's a lot of stuff going on. This is just to kind of not have so much aggression and to split up the fish tank a little bit, because the fish, I noticed they swim, you know, in my 40-gallon breeder, if you've seen it, you know, more towards the top, and at least this gives them, you know, more space between each other or whatever, because they most likely won't swim, you know, past this or whatever the case may be. So yeah, so this is pretty cool. This is a blue color. I don't know what it's going to look like in my lights or anything like that yet, but I'm going to give this a cleaning first. So as you see, what I usually do is I'll heat up some water to about 140 degrees. I'll soak this in it and I'll clean it. If you want, you can add some salt to it, and then also, you know, add some salt to the water and clean it, just to get off any oils, any residues, because you don't want that in your tank. And also, most likely, if it's going to release something, it's going to release something at a higher temperature. So at least if you heat this to double what the temperature of your tank will be, 140 degrees, about good. This will release any of the, you know, anything that will release, you know, at 140 degrees. So the chances of it, you know, going in the fish tank is just slimmer. It's not, you know, impossible, you know what I mean? Obviously, there's a chance for something could be wrong with this and it can kill everything in my fish tank, but I'm just looking to lower the chances and the possibility for, you know, having greater success. So pretty much that's how I roll. And there's a hole in the middle, I don't know why, but it is weighted. So we are going to clean this in some hot water, and then we'll put it in the fish tank and we will see what it looks like. All right.